We are now with the four partners through the Cleora development. Of course, we have Clint Haynes and we have Greg Kinney with True North. We're going to be talking with Donnie Case from Y&K Excavation here in just a moment. Right now, I want to talk to Jeff Post, formerly of First Colorado Land Company, but right now Century 21 Community First. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Very good. Now, you are a fifth generation Salida resident?
Fifth generation.
Now, we are out here in Cleora. What's that mean? What are you hearing from your friends and family? You're resurrecting the old Cleora.
Well, the old town site's actually a few years older than when my family showed up. The town site was developed in 1879,
Right.
and my family came over in 1886.
Wow. So this has to mean something deeper than because you've been in the real estate business, the development business here in Salida and Chaffee County for years. This has to be a little special, I would imagine.
Absolutely. There's a lot of history here and history of the area, and hopefully it will also provide a future for the area.
All right, the future for the area, let's talk about that because you're putting so many different homes. You're going to have some businesses here. Homes will be the main emphasis of the Cleora development. What types of homes are you going to be offering the folks?
The focus is on a 3D print style home. There's several different floor plans that we'll be utilizing. The idea is creating efficiencies and as low of a carbon footprint as possible, and hopefully utility bills will be extremely low for the new homeowners and make it to where it's a very livable place.
Very good. And I have really heard this could be self-sustaining out here. You have your own water treatment facility out here at Cleora Development.
Yeah, that's what we're printing right now is the water treatment facility. It'll house the filters and the booster tanks, and we've got the water tank behind us here. It does have underground electric throughout the subdivision, so it'll have its own water system. It'll be on electric, and every structure will have solar-ready utilities.
Very good. Well, I'm excited to, when you hit the street with your glossy printouts and showing everybody what you have. I look forward to that day when we can come in and have the big grand opening and invite the community out.
That sounds great. We'd love the community to come out.
Talking to Donnie Case right now, Y&K Excavation. Donnie, what is your role in your partnership with the Cleora development?
Basically all the infrastructure that we put in here. We built roads, we put in water mains, service lines to each lot, drainage system. So yeah, basically all the infrastructure for the subdivision is what we did.
Well, you say that like, oh, it's nothing. We just put in a few roads and got some pipes.
Yeah,
That takes some, that's what you do every day, but that takes some thought. I mean, coming up here from scratch in the old Cleora township area. Your family has been here as well. We were talking about fifth generation. You may go back a few more generations.
Fifth generation as well.
You're fifth as well.
Yep, that's right.
So this, again, coming out here to the Cleora development, your ancestors are looking down on you saying, I know that place.
Well, I hope so. I hope they are. I think we're trying to do something really, really unique and special here that's going to be a great part of the community.
Right. How does this match up to any other project you've taken on at Y&K?
It's real similar as far as our scope of work that we did here, but there's nothing like the building that we're doing here.
Right. But you're brought in as a partner with these guys.
Yes. Yeah. Jeff and I started, looking at this as just kind of a land deal where we're going to buy, build some roads and sell some lots. And then Greg and Clint came in and they pitched this idea to us, and we just all got super excited about the 3D printing, and yeah, just kind of snowballed from there.
Very good. We got Clint Haynes over here with True North, the master developer at the Cleora development. Had a chance to talk with Clint. Tell me, what are your feelings about this project? What are you most excited about?
Well, I'm most excited about getting our 3D printer rolling and printing some of these advanced geometries that we can do with the 3D printer as compared to like traditional stick build.
Right.
So some of the corners and things that we're going to be able to print traditionally, you can do those, but they're just way more they're more expensive than using a 3D printer. And so that's what we look to accomplish.
And we're going to be seeing some video a little bit later on of the printer in action.
Yep.
But what I'm noticing is a little bit of a dance between the person that's feeding the printer, the person who's guiding the printer. All the different people have to work together
For sure.
all at one time to get it going.
getting the cement right, so when it comes out of the extruder, which is the end of the printer,
Right.
by the time it lays it on top of the other layer is super important because it has to be hard enough to sustain that next layer so it doesn't collapse.
Sure.
Yeah.
And to watch these guys, it's more than one guy in there doing it, and see how they have to work together to make it flawless.
Yeah, communication is key between the pump operator and the print operator.
Very good.
Yep.
Very good. Let's talk to Greg one more time over here. Greg Kinney, the master developer with True North. You've heard these guys talk. Does that match what you thought this would be coming in?
Oh yeah, this is an exciting endeavor to bring this kind of innovation to this community and open the door for our youth to have a path to adopt it and find a place to grow here in a different way, leveraging unique technology.